How to screenshot allow replay photo on Instagram. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started. First of all, let's open the Instagram app on mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Then navigate to the DM section where you have the conversation of allow replay photo. Now, while doing that, have two phones ready. Your original phone where Instagram is open and a second phone which will use to capture the screenshot. Now, ensure that allow replay photo is visible and ready to view and use the second phone to take screenshot feature on the second phone. Position the second phone to the frame the Instagram photo on your original phone screen, then take the photo out of it. If you want to avoid any detection, quickly exit the DM or app on the original phone after capturing the photo. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.